Shocking twist in Mnangagwa murder robbery. Signs of a hired hit. The 19th of August 2025, by News Times Zimbabwe, Crime and Courts reporter. What initially appeared to be an armed robbery at Lishing Estate in RUWA is now raising strong suspicions of a targeted assassination, as fresh details emerge around the brutal murder of prominent businessman Joseph Mutangadura. Mutangadura, 67, was gunned down late Sunday night inside his 13-room farmhouse, in what police at first described as a violent robbery. But inconsistencies in the attacker's actions suggest that the killing may have been a contract hit disguised as a robbery. Police confirmed that 7 masked men armed with pistols, crowbars, and hammers overpowered a security guard before storming the property. They tied up the guard and forced him into the house, where Mutangadura was asleep with his wife. Patience, instead of seizing valuables, the gang appeared fixated on Mutangadura himself. What is disturbing is that the gang was not after the money but the life of Joseph, a family member said. According to witnesses, the attackers even asked the guard to describe Mutangadura before entering his bedroom. When confronted, the businessman offered to take them to an abattoir where he kept cash. Instead, they shot him multiple times in the stomach and chest, leaving him to die. Strangely, the robbers only took a cell phone worth about $10, leaving behind cash and other valuables in the farmhouse, fueling speculation that the killers had not come to steal, but to eliminate him. Mutangadura's wife, with whom he had recently reunited after a divorce, was left unconscious and rushed to hospital. She is recovering under police protection. National Police spokesperson Commissioner Paul Nyathi confirmed the incident, but maintained that it is still being treated as a case of murder and robbery. The value of stolen property is yet to be verified, he said. The chilling precision of the attack bears resemblance to a string of suspected hire killings that have shaken Zimbabwe since the 2017 coup. In many of those cases, victims were shot execution style, while little or nothing was stolen, raising fears of a shadowy underworld of contract assassins operating with impunity. Mutangadura, who ran butcheries, Lishing Estate, and the popular Mutangadura hideout, was a household name in RUWA and Harare business circles. His sudden death has devastated the community and left unanswered questions about who wanted him dead and why. Detectives from the CID homicide unit are leading the manhunt for the suspects, but relatives and residents are already convinced this was no ordinary robbery, but a carefully planned assassination. Stay with News Times Zimbabwe for more verified updates on this developing story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for real-time news alerts.